Many businesses rely on commercial cleaning services, and it is for a good reason. Cleaning the office premises of every company is not just important to keep the place presentable. It is also essential when it comes to good hygiene and creating a safe working environment for all of the staff. Watch on about why it is important to have commercial cleaning services for your business and how you can benefit from them. Employees are more productive in a clean environment. Most businesses don't do well when their employees aren't effective at their job or lose their motivation to work. And one of the key factors that contribute to loss of productivity and motivation is how clean the place is. An unkempt office, apart from posing a real health hazard, is a major reason why employees cannot focus on their work. Having clutter all around, dust and dirty floors can be quite a nuisance and impact one's willingness to work. Fewer sick days. Whenever employees get sick, they leave their workstation for several days. As a result, they cannot contribute to the company in a meaningful way and the business is at a loss. Good cleaning procedures and a professional approach to keeping the premises of the business clean and tidy will reduce the spread of bacteria and viruses. There is no denying the fact that this contributes to a much safer work environment, which fosters employees' good health and well-being. This is particularly important nowadays when hygiene is essential and people's health is so fragile and precious. Professional appearance. Imagine you are a client of a business and you walk within their premises. You see stained carpets, dusty equipment and clutter. Likely, you will not feel very impressed with them. Now imagine their office is clean and there is no clutter around. It is certainly enough to secure some good impressions, so you can continue to find out more about them. Professional cleaning ensures that every business remains as presentable as possible. This is particularly important for any office that welcomes customers directly. A fresh smell of the place, a clean surface, and a sanitary appearance produce a very subtle, yet very strong impression on customers. A good commercial cleaning company can prioritize what needs to be done for the business to look good and feel good. Boosting morale. The employees positively respond to many things, but one of the major morale boosters has always been a clean office environment. Being able to find their desk and the surrounding area clean every time they go to work is a great feeling they will all share. When morale is high, so is employee satisfaction and productivity. Cost savings. Long term, by having a professional cleaning company that knows their job, every business can benefit in the long run. Without cleaning, carpets become soiled, stains take their toll and furniture, shelves and other office gear falls into a state of disrepair more quickly. When proper cleaning is introduced, this process is reverted and all of these assets become well protected over a longer period. Better range of services. Every business should rely on an experienced commercial cleaning company. Chances are, when a company knows what businesses need, they will be more flexible in terms of what they can provide. In the end, every business is unique, and it takes expertise to know exactly how to best serve them. Want more tips? Check out our previous video on 10 cleaning tips for the office. Also, let us know your views and comments in the comment section below. Why don't you consider the help of trained cleaning professionals, the ones that work at FastKlean? Our company can help you deal with all aspects of cleaning. Simply call 0208 8849 149 or visit fastklean.co.uk. Sign up for our masterclasses and learn how to create a toxin-free environment at home or any business premises. Watch our other videos and learn more eco-friendly cleaning tips. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Thank you for watching. Until next time.